So you can take any pillowcase, new or old, grab it by the opening and lay it down flat. Then you're going to measure out approximately 9 inches down from the opening. This is where you're going to cut the pillowcase in half. Now you can start folding the pillowcase down and flip it over and fold it back and flip it over and fold it again, and so on and so forth until you have folded the entire piece of material like a fan. Then you can grab some Dollar Tree scrunchies in any color you desire and thread it on to each end of your pillowcase fan shape. Depending on the size of the mask that you'd like to make, you're going to secure down your two ends with some fabric hot glue. Now regather your fan's shape and trim the excess pillowcase. Be sure to go back and secure all of the inside pieces of fabric with the glue so that it's all flat. Now your mask is complete. There's a little pocket there that you can tuck a filter in.